What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have 5 packs of Lorcana today from Target. Let's see if we can open these up and have better luck than the last packs we opened from there. Last week we opened up all Elsa packs from the first chapter from Target. Today it's all Beast from the Rise of the Floodborn. So let's see what we got. Mulan, Raya, Ray. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you like seeing this kind of content, and also leave your comments. Let us know how you guys are doing, if you've had any luck from Target, because we are yet to have any real good luck. That's not a bad one there. We haven't opened up very much Rise of the Floodborn recently. Maybe it's because I can't open packs anymore. That one is freaking opened up way crazy. Could totally be operator error though. Alright. Gosh, yeah, I don't know what it's been lately, but anything we've bought Target wise has not been the greatest. We have definitely done way better with booster boxes or just single packs from booster packs. We've only bought very few of these from Walmart because they're definitely a better value at Target. And then at our local game store is actually cheaper than Walmart. So we haven't bought a lot of these from Walmart, but if you have, let us know. Are the blister packs better from Walmart than they are from Target? Are we just bad luck and picked the wrong packs? There's a nice super rare Beast, super rare Cogsworth, Flow Bashful. Okay, 2 packs to go. Let's see. Let's open them both up here. Oh, is it Raya? Is she the lucky one? Let's see. Every one of these today. Alright, let's see. Grumpy, Pooh, Basil, Beast, Legendary, Namari, and Hypnotize. I think that's the full. We were just talking about that the other day. I don't know if we've pulled very many legendaries either from the troves or from the blister packs. So that's probably one of the few legendaries that we've actually been able to pull. Okay, here we go. Last pack magic. Queen of Hearts, Flynn Rider, and Chip the Cup. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.